This Phantom wallet holds $4.8 million, all from meme coin launches by myself. Not from luck, not from chasing random coins, just a strategy. Stay tuned, I'll show you how it's done. Now, so many people are making so much money from creating and deving their own meme coin. And that's exactly why I stopped trading and I started deving. Because every single time I jumped into a new meme coin, I got completely dumped on and I was left holding the bag. And the real money, bro, it's actually launching. Because when you launch, you control the story, the supply, and the timing. And as the dev of the coin, you lose absolutely nothing because all you're doing is creating, waiting, and dumping. But if you keep trading, you will bleed out. And right now, bro, Bitcoin is really fucking high, and I'm pretty sure Solana is ripping. It's at $238 at the time of recording this video. This is a perfect moment to start launching. You guys do not want to miss this video. This video is for educational purposes only. Nothing here is financial advice. Now, bro, so many people are making coins on Pump.Fun, but trust me, bro, Pump.Fun is overflooded. Too many tokens, too little visibility, and not enough traction. And since you don't own your own liquidity in your own coin, you are locked out of your own project, okay? That's fucking shit. If you make a coin on Pump.Fun and you're up a couple $1,000s, you cannot even remove the liquidity. That's the worst part. And that's exactly why I switched to create tokens.io now, because here your launch goes straight to Raydium. It's instantly graduated and tradable right away. And also, bro, since it's migrated instantly, you do not have to wait for a coin to reach a $90,000 market cap because it's already graduated and you will reach a shit ton of buyers. And by the way, it's all for educational purposes only, so please don't copy me and do not take my financial advice. Cap! Alright, let's launch a meme coin right now. No more waiting around. Let's launch, dev, dump, and make a shit ton of money, okay? You guys will see how it works. Now, first of all, connect your Phantom wallet to the website just like so, then refresh this, so click the button right here, and let's look for a coin to copy. Now, right now, Pump.Fun streamer coins are trending, but I'm gonna go with, fuck it, this one, the higher coin. It has a last buy 5 seconds ago, and a $47,000 market cap, so I'm gonna create coin. Ignore the warning, it's completely normal from Phantom, it's just a request blocked, it's normal. Click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm, then wait for the coin to be created. 1, 2, 3, boom. Bro, boom. Okay, if I go in scan, you guys can see that it's live on the blockchain, it's all fucking ready, but now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page makes the whole market, okay? This page is what Pump.Fun doesn't let you do, because on Pump.Fun, you do not create the liquidity pool, they control it for you. But here, you control it all, it's all to you, okay, on Raydium. Now adding liquidity makes your coin actually tradable into Raydium for the public, okay? Now for the amount token A, just click on 90%, that's gonna drop 900 million tokens into the liquidity pool. Right under is the amount token B. This is your first entry. It is not money gone, it's actually money locked. The minimum is 0.3 SOL, and it all comes back to you later when you pull out the liquidity. You guys will see, okay? All you need is 0.35 Solana, but you are not losing this money, it will come back to you. Then click on create pool. And then click on confirm. There is no warning here, it's completely safe. Click on confirm, and then click on refresh, and if you scroll down, boom, the higher coin is now live, our PNL is right here. And if you click on refresh for a second time, my bad, now we're up $233. You don't need to refresh, but I like to see where the coin is at, so we're already up $200. If you want to see the chart though, click on view on Photon or copy paste the address in another website like Axum or Pump.Fun or whatever the fuck, right? And let me go on full screen for a better visual. The chart might look funky, but trust me, bro. Oh my god! Let's go! It's fucking pumping, bro! Oh my god! Oh my god! It's pumping! Okay, should I dump the coin? Actually, no, I'm gonna wait. Okay, the coin is gonna go higher and higher because more and more people are going to start seeing the coin on Raydium, so it's completely normal, bro. And as devs, since you are new, I'm assuming, you do not have to be emotional, okay? This is money not lost. Like I said, you have nothing to lose, so all this money is coming in your pocket. Now, all you have to do from now on is sit back and watch all the money roll in. I'm gonna give this coin a couple minutes, so be right back. Okay, I am back. The chart is fucking bullish. We're at the $3,000 market cap, a shit ton of volume, a shit ton of liquidity. Things are looking insane. Now, this coin is what usually happens. Anyways, if you want to make some money and some quick guap, come back to createtokens.io and then click on the refresh button. And boom, we're up $1,900 in profits. Now click on the minus button, do 100%, remove the liquidity, which means the money, and then click on the confirm button. And bang! That's exactly how you dev a meme coin, dump it, and print generational wealth. If I open my Phantom wallet, boom, $1,85000 straight into my wallet. You guys fucking have to seize this opportunity right now. Solana is high. Every single dev, every single trader is making money. If you are not making money with meme coins, what are you doing?